SES porcelain lamp holders can often be seen in applications where heat is an issue. By watching this video, you will know everything you need to know how to use this lamp holder straight away. Hello, I'm Laurie Smith, and in this video I will guide you around this lamp holder. Let's get started. So today we're introducing the SES Porcelain Lampholder, a very compact lamp holder with a very high temperature rating. It's just two cores, a live and a neutral, and it's small Edison screw or E14 cap. We'll take a cable here and we'll unwind the terminals. As usual, we're going to do the live brown wire to the central pin, push it in and hold it there and just tighten down, and the neutral wire to the left hand side, and again tighten that down, and there we have it. On porcelain lamp holders we have a much wider range in the Edison screw version, but you can see the physical size is quite a bit bigger. In the Edison screw version we have a number of metal mounting brackets, but the porcelain ones, the metal brackets won't fit, as the spacing of the fixing holes is different. I'll show you once again. If you've decided one of these fittings is right for you, you can purchase it here or from one of our distributors. If not, you can view our other similar lamp holders. Please do get in touch with us if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.